Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube reaction video. This is Unbeaten Reacts. Welcome back to my channel. I'm the channel host, you can call me Namu. Welcome here. And today I'm gonna do a different kind of video. This is gonna be a video where you viewers and you commenters, is commenters the correct word? Commenters? You requested me to react to this video. One of you commented this on my earlier video of N-Flying, and you asked me to check out their I think their best comeback so far, which is titled I think Rooftop or something. So I'm gonna check that out. I was super impressed by N-Flying when I reacted to their last comeback, and they're a really talented band. And first of all, they're a band, so that's impressive enough. That means that they get to make their own music and they get to experiment with music, which is super important and super unique in K-pop industry. Not many bands do that. I mean, not many groups do that, because they're like idol groups which are different and which have they get their songs produced by producers. But bands generally get to make their own music, which is really interesting, and it just shows their genius capabilities. And N-Flying was again another amazing band which you all suggested, and I was really impressed. I'm really looking forward to this, because yeah, they're just amazing and just super incredible to watch them. So without any further ado, this is going to be N-Flying Rooftop. And if you're enjoying this, please leave a like, please subscribe to my channel for further reactions, and comment down below. If you comment your suggestions, I could react to them too, just like this one. So please comment down anything you want me to react to, any other group, any other solo artist, collaboration, anything. Just comment and I'll check them out. So let's get to this. This song was released a year ago, I guess, and it has 24 million views on YouTube. Not bad. Let's go. I'm super excited. Okay. Immediately jumped into the song. Wow, no intro, no nothing. Okay. Bit fast paced singing. Okay. Wow. Super fast paced. I didn't expect this. Ooh. Nice vocals. Ooh, okay. Was that the intro? Because this seems like the first verse. Because this has a different feel. I don't know what that was. It immediately just began and just dropped us into the song. It was cool, it wasn't bad, but I was confused. This seems like the first verse. Ooh, vocals. Ooh, that high vocal was nice. The guitar is also really good. Ooh, that is so good. The guitar is really good. It's really subtle. It's not really overpowering the vocals. Ooh, okay. A bit of rapping. Nice. Is it just... Is this like the practice session? The video is also really interesting. The drummer looks really good with the brown hair. I mean, like, I generally don't pay attention to like male visuals, but he looks good. This is a really different, this is a really I don't know what type of genre it is. It's definitely not pop. It goes more towards rock and that type of stuff. I guess they're a band, so rock songs would be more better suited for bands. Ooh, that was so good. Ooh, that guitar was really good. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Okay, now it's addicting. This is one of those songs which like you get used to after some time. It's not immediately captivating, but the chorus is really good now. Also, the guitar is the most addictive part. It's so good. Okay. It's so good. It's nice. It's got a good touch. Ooh. Outro. Ooh, nice touch. Nice vocals. Fly High Project number 2, Rooftop. Was this their second comeback, or was this their first comeback after the debut? Because it's titled number 2, Project 2. That was good. That was nice. A year ago, 25 mil views. Ooh. It just hit 25 by the way. 25 million and 46 views. Just hit 25 mil. Was I the 25 millionth view? I don't know. Anyway, that was good. It had a different feel, definitely. I've listened. I haven't listened much to songs like these high rock genre songs. It had definitely had a more rock genre and rock styled. The guitar was really addictive though, and the vocals were. It was more toward mild rapping, I guess. Like that's how I interpreted it. It was more towards rapping, but there were one-off nice vocalization and clean high vocals as well. So that gave a bit of taste and bit of flavor to the song. It was a good song, deserved 25 mil. Really enjoyed it. Yeah. I don't know. I don't have. I haven't listened to a whole lot of music, so I don't know what to comment on this type of music. It sure is interesting, but I don't know the terminology. I don't know the. I'm not really. I wasn't like I want to be more, but I wasn't really into bands and stuff. So I don't know what is. Last time I asked one of y'all what was rhythm guitaring, which was a new term which I encountered. But that just shows how much I don't know about this. But it was sure interesting. It was sure nice to listen to. And comment down below any other songs regarding this. Similarly styled songs, if you have, please comment down below. I would love to listen to more of this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Peace.